explain what is innovation network and to discuss how to set up innovation network as well. So, what is an innovation network? Does anyone have an idea of what is innovation network? Arsenal, do you have an idea of what is innovation network? Anyone? Sige, okay. I will gonna discuss. So, innovation network, it is the support continuous to improvement, the idea of management, and the innovations management of a company. So, ang pasabot ani kaning innovation network, ano siya kanang mga tao ni siya, a group of people sa usa ka company na buhatag o kanang more idea mutabang sa katawhan within the society. Tapos, they enhance the innovation process and are integral part of innovation's culture. Innovation networks also play an important role in digitalization. So, kaning innovation network, crucial ni siya sa digitalization. Nasabot ani, di ba, dili na manual atong ginagamit, digital na. Isang sa cashier, karon dili na ta magamit og kanang manual. Sulat sa bakit tayo mag-ina, magsulat pa ka, okay ng cashier, so ginagamit na ang digital. Ang innovation network, kung ano siya kanang ang example sa digital network or Philippines Innovations Act, isang programa ng gobyerno na naglalayong suportahan ang mga innovator at start-up sa Pilipinas. So, ibig sabihin na ito, kita, example, kung makagalit na pumunta sa lian, mag-start up na sa business. So, ang tabuad ko sa innovation network, mag-research ka, kinsa mga kanang available na innovation network na makakuan ka kanang mutapos sila kung saan pag-innovative, ang saan pag-enhance sa product or mangitag ka ng idea kung saan sa mga step-by-step ang atong buhaton sa atong startup business. And also, DUST or the Philippines Council for Industry, Energy, and Emerging Technological Research and Development. Isang ahensya ng gobyerno na naglalayong suportahan ang mga pananaliksik at pag-unlad ng bagong teknolohiya. So example, ako kayo ko pa ng akong ginag-focus ay mag-innovative o bagong digital. Hindi siya food. Hindi ako mag-focus sa mga cellphone mana. So dapat kung kayo katabang, sila ang murag mo guide sa inyo sa pag-enhance sa idea. And also, the Philippine Science High School System. Isang sistema na nakaparalan, na naglalayong suportahan ang mga mag-aaral na may interes sa agham at teknolohiya. So example, sa mga experiment sa kanang mag-spray doon para patay sa mga lamok. So kay innovation network man kay topic din siya about sa mga members na naghatag ng ideas sa while there na dahil na-mention ang Ambetex 3. Ambetex 3 di ay guys kay ining niya kay when last na existing na product nag-innovate po sila out ka ng new ideas para sa ilang product. Establishing an innovation network. Innovation networks can be built within a company or by involving external parties. When innovative innovation networks open up, this is called open innovation and cooperation. So, innovation, ang pag-establish sa innovation network ay nagpinahangan pa sila o ng mga partnership sa outside para nato sila idea na isang pagkabiro kada ay kailangan partner kay ang partner kay kailangan din siya improve mo kay enhance
let's discuss about this how you set up innovation network. And number one is find indicators. Innovation network depends on the commitment of what to build and maintain this network in terms. So find indicators is makapasumulo sa isa ka business. I will define indicators to reach your business to success. Number two is start small. Start for example in an innovation workshop or an student event or send the innovation to everyone who is potentially interested in ideas and innovation. Start small. Yes, as entrepreneurs, we are entrepreneurs starting a small business to reach the higher business. Small, large, medium, to reach. So starting with small is very need to our entrepreneurship. So I mentioned previously is workshop or starting example with workshop or internal event. So example of internal events like a virtual event like boarding or boarding, training. That's example of virtual event. And then the second example of event is meeting and exhibition.
The third one, inform your innovation networks regularly. For example, initiate a bi-weekly or monthly newsletter in which you describe 3 to 4 important trends for your company or industry. On the Analytics Innovation Platform, you can publish this newsletter in the form of blog or articles. So like, sa akong makita sa mga articles sa mga business, importante job na na-adjud kay ginahatag na monthly or bi-weekly na newsletter sa innovation network kay para makuan po ka na ma-update po ang mga customers sa mga isang po na ay mga ibang mga products kay kay hindi man di ba sa maghipo ka ay maghipo ka product like sa hotdog o sa ba or sa Avon, di ba natin mga bagong mga product na kanang gina-enhance. So, dapat yun na-adjust newsletter or mga blog articles para ma-inform ang mga customer. So, involve members regularly. So, ask question, ask for feedback. A regular activation of members of their innovation network ensures that it remains vibrant. So the InnoVisTech software offers various functions for this purpose, such as the possibility of commenting on ideas. So there is various topics. Encourage employees to suggest ideas for answering questions about the future. Idea contest give you a quick overview of which member of your organization would like to get involved in the topic. So, this helps everyone to feel involved and gives a chance to contribute and share their ideas. Through this context, you can quickly see who really interested in working on the new idea